Hello kids. Here we have some colors. Orange color, red color, blue color, green color and yellow color. Now you can see some alphabets over here. Now let's start it. We will feel the alphabets from these colors. Red color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. Yellow color. G. G for goat. H. H for hen. I for ice creams. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. Blue color. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for owl. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. Green color. S. S for sheep. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Orange color. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, we have learned alphabets from A to Z, which was all in triangle shape. Now let me introduce you the colors by. We have written A to F from red color, G to L from yellow color, M to R from blue color, S to X from green color, and Y to Z from orange color. Do you like these colors? Tell me. Please like, share and subscribe.